everyone, welcome to Deepshikha Bishoyi Artworks. It's me Deepshikha, and today we are going to learn how to make baby animals out of basic shapes for beginners. So today this is what we are going to make, a penguin chick. Now let's start. Here we take one white sheet of paper. This is a simple A4 paper, print paper I have taken. And we start here. So we begin with, we first draw a large egg shape for the body with a small circle for the head. Now this is how we do a large egg shape for the body. And here we make a small circle for the head. This is how we make it. Make sure all the shapes are made perfectly. So that later it should not be a problem with the final outcome. Now mark the positions of the eyes and beak like this, and shape the neck. This is how we give shape to the neck. Now add rounded leg shapes. Here we go, like this. So here the basic shape of the body is ready. Basic shape of the baby penguin now. So now we'll add a little bit of details like this. Draw lines to show the markings on the head like this. Sketch in the eyes and beak. Here we make the eyes like this. And now add pointed shapes for the wings like this. The wing shapes start at the end of the curve for the neck and end here like this. Here the wings are ready now. Now we remove the markings of the eyes that we made because our eyes are kind of ready. Now draw the claws on the feet like this. Small pointed shapes. Here we go. Here. So the basic shape, the basic outline of our penguin chick is now ready. Now let's start with the coloring. We first draw the basic outline with black sketch pen. So here I'll be showing you two mediums of colors. One with basic plastic crayons, that is for kids, and another with watercolor pencils. So this is the first one for the kids. We are now doing a very realistic penguin chick. So I'm using black sketch pen for the outlines. Once we are done with the black sketch pen, we can erase all the pencil lines that we drew for markings. And now we start with the coloring with the plastic crayons. I'm using Faber box of 24 shades of plastic crayons here, and mostly using all blacks, grays and blues. As you can see, light rendering, and we'll be using very slight bit of yellow as well. As you can see my strokes, this is how I'm doing the rendering. I'm leaving a lot of portion white. Here. So now the next medium, watercolor pencils. We're using Staedtler here. Make sure that the pencils are sharp enough so that the rendering comes perfectly fine. We need to create good effect. So first we erase all the pencil lines so that we can do better detailing. We can give better detailing to the penguin. Check. Now let's do the rendering like this. Shade the darker areas on the head and wings. Fill in the eyes and beak, leaving tiny highlights uncolored. Like this. Break up the outline with tiny feathery color pencil lines. Here we are giving details to the eyes. Creating some depth. The wings. A bit of rendering on the chest and the belly portion. Slight bit of feathers we can show like this with tiny lines, pencil lines here. Add details to the claws like this. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever I upload something new. For similar videos, please check the description column. I have shared the links of so many videos like this in various different mediums. If you have any questions, any queries, please feel free to put it across in the comment section. And if you wish to see any tutorial on a particular subject, please feel free to mention that also. I'll surely honor your request in my next video and create my videos fulfilling your request. You can also directly message me. My Instagram and Facebook links are given. You can message me directly. So as you can see, this is how we do the rendering with the help of watercolor pencils. Build up color gradually using lots of short pencil strokes in soft blue and gray. You can add light yellow detail around the eyes and we shade the feet, leaving highlighted areas pale to make them look hard and shiny. So here, our color pencils penguin chick is ready here. Now we would give a bit of watercolor effect to this penguin chick. Since we've done the rendering with the help of watercolor pencils, what we need to do now is simply dip a thin bristles brush in water, moderate level water, and simply use it over the pencil strokes, color pencil strokes like this. We just spread water over the color pencil strokes, and this is how we get this effect of watercolors. As you can see, we can get the detailing. It looks just like watercolors and much more easier in handling, much more easier than watercolors. We spread water all across this. So actually the choice is yours. You could leave it with the color pencil strokes also, or you can use these also, the brush strokes, to give it a watercolor feel like this. So basically we have covered 3 mediums in this video: wax crayons or plastic crayons, we can say, color pencils, and watercolors. See, this is the effect we got. Please do let me know in the comment section, how do you like? Which of the 3 mediums do you like the most? I would love to know what my audience like more. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more videos. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.